Ever wonder what's hiding behind that reassuring smile and perfectly coiffed hair? Step 1 involves the foundation of the entire look, the khakis. Now, these aren't just any khakis, we're talking classic, reliable, the kind of khakis that say, "I've got your back, and I'm here to help." Think sensible fabric, a comfortable fit, and a color that blends seamlessly with with a lot of things, which is kind of the point. Next up, the pièce de récupération, the iconic red polo shirt. This isn't a fashion statement for a runway. Folks, this is a uniform of helpfulness. The color rate isn't accidental. It's bold, it's approachable, and it screams, "I'm ready to assist you with your insurance needs." Now, for the assembly, it's a simple two-piece operation. Khakis go on first. Naturally smooth them out, tuck in the red polo, make sure the collar sitting just right. It's all about projecting an air of effortless competence. Then comes the crucial finishing touch, the attitude, a winning smile, a calm demeanor, and that signature, "What are you wearing?" a Jake from State Farm pose. It's less about the threads and more about the trust they inspire, and that, my friends, is how you achieve the legendary Jake from State Farm look.